This is Norton. Norton is one of our shaker doors that we offer in a solid timber finish. It's painted here in a bespoke painted colour so that you can achieve exactly the kind of look that you're after. With this display, we've had the Norton take on a more traditional feel. To achieve that, we've used the tongue and groove end panels, we've introduced a double Belfast sink and bridge tap, and we've also introduced our moulded plinth. The use of the mantle creates a focal point around the range cooker, which is a hub of this kitchen. The Marble Effects quartz worktops have been finished with the DuPont edging just to add to that traditional feel. The back of the peninsula has been designed to offer extra storage, and we've created an open display shelf by using a painted end panel on top of top box wall units. This display also features a standalone larder and pantry unit, finished in a contrasting bespoke colour.